Hi, today I welcome you all for this session 6 in Unit 3 of Understanding of Scanning. Let us see the content which we are going to cover in this session. Today we will discuss about bitmap and file size, next implementation of file size, then image resolution along with some multiple choice of questions. Let us see and understand one by one. A bitmap is made up of tiny pixels. We have already discussed in the chapter. It is consisting of rectangles with thousands of pixels. Each of those pixels have to be saved on a disk. Each pixel is defined using a 8-bit color information. Then the file is 8 times bigger than the black and white bitmap. Similarly, 24-bit file is full of 3 times bigger than the 8-bit images. And even a 48-bit file is twice the size of 24-bit size of a file. If a file takes long time to open, edit, print or save, then the file size is more. Many people who complain about how slow editing in Photoshop or simplify the working with files much bigger than they need. The image mode does not necessary to increase the file size, but going from RGB to CMYK mode does while scanning itself. It adds an exact 8-bit channel, thereby increasing the bit depth. The figuring the file size. Now that we know the factor that affect the size of the images, it's a simple matter to calculate the file size using the following formula. The file size in kilobytes. How to calculate the resolution of an image? Resolution square into width into height into bit per samples is equal to 8.192 into 192. For example, if you have a 4 by 5 inches, then 1 bit of image at 300. Then similar to that, it is divided, then finally we will get 1 bit of image is equal to 300 dpi. Now we will see the file size 220 kilobytes is equal to this much. Then file size in kilobytes, we have already seen this. Similarly, a bitmap images of the same size should be the sunlight is at 5273 in case you were wondering, this formula works because 8.192 is the number of bits in a kilobytes. Increasing the resolution means more pixels, which in turn increase the file size. File size or lossy compression is reducing the resolution, color depth, all effect. The file size by reducing in, but at the loss of the quality. When an image and lossless does not affect the image quality, it will also compress, but it will not affect the image quality of an. But if it is lossy compression, then it affects the image quality, and it what is that, we may call it as it covers the entire image in a full size of a file. Resolution. The number of pixels in the image, the better quality the image. If the more number of pixels, it decreases the resolution. So if it is less, then decrease the resolution of an image. When a bitmap are going to be used in a website, they should have the correct image resolution applied before they are added to the web pages. Normally 72 dpi will use for web pages. When producing a bitmap that are going to be printed, you will be working with a higher resolution of 300D. If the bitmap is going to print, it should be carefully uploaded that the resolution of an image should be 300 dpi minimum. Then only you will get the output. Working with this on the monitor that have a lower DPI to higher DPI. Lower DPI is 72. Higher DPI is 96. The bitmap or the resolutions dependent, meaning that if you have a scale of bitmap, the pixels will become very more than visible and the quality of the graphics is corresponding. Let us see the multiple choice of questions. Each pixel is defined using dash bits of color information. The options are 32, 16, 8 and 24. Normally, each color will consisting of single. This is the clue to answer. So 1 bit is equal to 24 bytes. This is the clue to answer. Next, RGB image mode separates dash bits. The options are 32, 16, 8 and 24. This is clue to answer this direct question. Next question. Lazy compression reducing the resolution and the color depth. The photo of the file size, then whether the statement is true or false, you have to answer it. Normally, the lossy compression will never lose its the output. It normally decrease or compress the file, but it will never lose the resolution of an image. Next question. Increasing the dash means more pixels, which in terms they increase the file size. The options are image size, resolution and object and none of them. Normally, increasing the resolution of an image means more pixels, which in terms for further process. Increasing the file size will occur. Next, the number of pixels in an image, the better quality of the image, whether the statement is true or false. The image resolution for a web page is dash dpi dots per inch, 150, 72, 200 and 300. Image resolution is always 200 to 300. Thank you all once again.